Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to finish the installation on the Estate Series Single Hung 360. The first step when setting the sash back in the frame is you'll need your sash pins. The sash pin will have to be inserted into the small hole at the bottom of the balance, and carefully we're going to move it down and force it all the way through into this top hole of the jamb. That's going to hold the balance in place. I'm going to follow the same process on the other side. When setting the sash back into the frame, you're going to set it where one side of the sash goes into the jamb first, pivot and set the other side in. Slowly lower it down on top of the balances. I'm now ready to remove the pins. There's that little blue button I'm going to have to push in, and the pin comes out. The sash has now been set into the frame. I'm ready to install my jamb covers. I'll have to close the sash and insert this side of the cover first between the sash and the jamb, and then this will snap into the jamb. Your bumper will be at the top of the window. I'm going to follow the same process on the other side. Once the covers are in the jambs, unlock, open, and close your window to ensure smooth operation. The last step on the inside of the window is adding the fastener cover in the header. I'll begin on one side and work my way over. I'm now ready to apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of the window. This window has two weep holes. Ensure both weep holes are unobstructed. To recap, I've now finished installing the Single Hung 360 in a square, level, and plumb fashion. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on this window.